Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be deep cleaning my washing machine and deep cleaning my shower and cleaning the grout, in addition to doing some general cleaning around the house. So I hope you enjoy and get some motivation from this. So to clean the grout in the shower, I'm using a mixture of white vinegar, rubbing alcohol, lemon essential oil and water, and I've mixed that together, and I'm just going to spray that all over the grout lines, in particular really saturating the areas that I can see are much dirtier and need a really thorough clean, and then I'm just going to leave that to sit while I clean the rest of the bathroom. Now that the grout cleaner has been sitting for a while, I'm just going in with my electric cleaning toothbrush to get into all the grout lines and really scrape away any of the dirt and build-up that's in there, and it works so well. You'll see in a minute there was some dirt just in here on this particular grout line that comes up so well. You can just see it absolutely flying away as I go over it with a cleaning toothbrush. So this cleaner does a really amazing job, and the best thing is that it's super simple to put together and it's really eco-friendly as well. So to start cleaning the washing machine, I'm just going to make a paste of bicarbonate of soda and water and use a sponge to spread that around the inside of the drum and just give it a good scrub, especially in areas where it might look a little bit dirtier. Then I'm just going to give a quick wash out to the detergent tray as well, just with some vinegar and water. And there also is a portion of mold that's growing under the silicone around the outside of the washing machine, so I've just used some hydrogen peroxide and water to try and clean that up. Didn't come up perfectly, but it certainly helped. Then I'm just going to add some vinegar to the dispenser tray along with some tea tree essential oil, which has antibacterial properties, and run it on the hottest and longest setting that I can, and it came up really beautifully and really nice and clean. that is it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you got some cleaning motivation from this to deep clean your shower and your washing machine. If you're interested in other cleaning videos, I will leave my cleaning playlist link down below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.